Olympia equation. Now, this is going to give us root of n plus root of n equals to 4th root of n. Now, going by the solution, root of n plus root of n gives us 2 roots of n equals 4 roots of n. Of course, this one you can divide by root of n divided by root of n. So we're going to have 2 equals to this cancel this. Then this 4th root of n gives us m to the power of 1 all over 4 all over m to the power of 1 over 2. Who is that one? M to the power of 1 all over 4 minus, because division means minus in power. When you're having the same base in division, it means minus in power, 1 all over 2. Who is that what? M to the power of, our LCM is 4. So 4 goes in 4, 1. You have 1. 2 goes in, you have 2. Have 2. So we have 2 equals m raised to power of minus 1 all over 4. Now, to get the value of m here, we multiply the power by minus 4. So 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by minus 4 equals m raised to power minus 1 all over 4 multiplied by minus 4. So that this 4 can cancel this 4. We have minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So this gives us 2 to the power of minus 1 equals to m raised to power minus 1 times minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives us plus 1. Therefore, the final answer is going to be m to the power of 1 equals what? 2 to the power of minus 4. We present as m equals 1 all over 2 to the power of 4. We present as 1 all over 16. 2 to the power of 4 gives us a 16. 2 times 2, that's give us a 16. 8 times 2 gives us a 16. So that gives us an answer. So please ask question. Thank you. Everything over 3x squared minus 2 in bracket raised to power half dx. Now, what we do here is it let u to be equals to 3x squared minus 2. Therefore, when you find the u dx will give us a 6x. Therefore, the x is going to give us du over 6x. Now, going forward, we can rewrite this as what? 6x all over u to the power of 1 all over 2 multiplied by dx. Our dx is a du all over 6x. Therefore, this 6x we cancel this. So it's going to give us integration of 1 all over u to the power of half du, which is same thing as a integration of u to the power of minus half du. Now, when we integrate this is going to give us u to the power of half plus 1 all over what? Minus half plus 1 plus a constant. So this is going to give us u. Of course, when we have minus half plus 1, it's like 1 minus half. We're going to have half. Everything over what? Half plus c. So when we actually reverse this is going to give us a u raised to power half is divided half. So it's multiplied by 2 over 1 plus c. So this is going to give us 2u half plus c. Now, putting the value of u is already what? 3x squared. So we're going to have 2 into what? 3x squared minus 2. Everything to the power of half plus constant. So this becomes the final answer. So please, you can try this. 4x all over 2x squared minus 2, or let's say minus 4x raised to power 3 dx. Try this. Try this there. I will feed you back. Thank you. Simplify. U squared plus ux minus 6x squared. Everything over 2x squared plus ux minus u squared. Of course, we need to factorize the numerator and also the denominator to simplify it completely. I want you to listen and concentrate like a driver driving in a motor car. Now, minus 6x squared multiplied by u squared is going to give us minus 6 u square x square, which can be paired into 2 to become what? Minus 3ux, and or we can say 3ux and minus 2ux. When we multiply this, it gives us this. When we multiply this, it gives us this. But when we add this one will give us minus ux. But this one will give us ux. That means we apply this one because we are having plus ux here. So what do? We now rewrite this one to become u squared plus this one 3ux minus 2ux. Then when we multiply this like this, we have minus 2u square x square, which will automatically give us what? Minus 2ux and ux. Or we can say this can also give us x. When we multiply this, we get this. When we multiply this, we get this. But when we add this one will give us minus ux. But when we add this one will give us 2ux minus us. That give us us, which is this. So we make use of this. Now, u is common here. U, we bring it out, then we have u plus 3x. Now, minus 2x times this, we have this. Minus 2 times this, we have minus 6. So, over this one, 2x is common. So, we have x. Now, going forward, this is common, this is common. So, this gives us u plus 3x into u minus 2x over x plus u into 2x minus u. We can still simplify this by having u plus 3x. This one, we can rewrite this one as what? Minus u plus 2x into u plus 3x into u minus. If you take out minus from here, we are going to have minus into u minus 2x. This cancels this. Now, our final answer is going to give us minus into u plus 3x, everything over u plus x. So this becomes our final answer.